I'm in the southernmost part of Italy, in Sicily, and in the background you see is the place from where you get the bus to go towards Erice. So I'm heading to Erice now. There is a public transportation, but you don't see that in Google Map or on internet. And the bus number is 21 and 23 that goes from this Vigili del Fuoco, whatever that name is. From here it goes to the Funicular station. So one-way ticket costs you €9, whereas if you take a two-way ticket, then it costs you 15. Let's go. So there are two ways to go to Erice. One is you have a direct bus, and the second option is funicular. So I'm thinking about walking down back instead of taking the cable car, so I bought a single way ticket. We are in Erice now, a small medieval village on top of a hill in Trapani, which is the southernmost part of Sicily in Italy. So let's go and explore it. They say Erice is a town in the clouds, and now I know why. One moment you can see everything, and the next you are surrounded by mist. It's one of the most magical places I have ever visited. This is Castle Venus, built on top of an ancient temple dedicated to the goddess of love. So basically in ancient time people came here to make love and romance, whereas I'm here alone vlogging. You can see I flew into the fog, and here there is so much of water on my drone. These are the water droplets all over the lens and on the wing. Yeah. So yeah, I did take a huge risk by flying into this darkness. So yeah, but I hope you guys will like the video and follow the channel for the risks I take. So these streets here are 1,000 years old, and they are designed to make you lose your way immediately. Even Google Maps gives up in Erice. People come here to explore and end up staying a little longer because finding the way back is half the adventure. I wasn't expecting the clouds to steal the show in Erice. Watching them sweep across the town made everything feel so peaceful and a little mysterious. So I tried to fly the drone, but it's pointless because it is very windy, and as you can see there is too much fog. Also in the footage you will see that the drone gets covered soon in fog. So now I'm getting serious because this bakery is really important and amazing. A visit to Erice is incomplete without trying the Genovese. This iconic Sicilian pastry has a perfectly crisp buttery shell and a rich creamy custard filling. Fresh from the oven, it's one of those treats that's worth the trip on its own. As it was too crowded at pasticceria, so I just took a parcel and now I'm enjoying it with this view. This is the real Duomo of Erice, which was built over 700 years ago in the early 14th century. So I'm just walking around and the place I found is full of flowers. It's like I'm walking in a valley of flowers that you can see around. It's amazing. Literally you can see that we are on top of the clouds. So much of fog here. This here is the Spanish Quarter from where I'm taking a time lapse, but usually if it is a clear day, behind that you will be able to see the sea. Yes. But right now it's just clouds. So in Erice I'm trying this something called as panini, which is of swordfish. It looks yummy. Let's try and see. Very yummy. And I think I spilled it on my pant as well. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.